Y'all, I'm hungry, so I'm so ready to eat this goodie box. Hey guys, it is Beauty Bree 14 back with another goodie box video. I am so happy to make this video for you guys because I'm actually starving right now and I know there's some good snacks in here. I know there is. I'm hoping that there is this month. If you guys didn't know, I do a daily goodie box once a month and they just have really healthy but really nutritious, great tasting treats. And they also have a few skincare items in there as well. So get you a goodie box. They are amazing. So no further ado, this is what the box looks like. And I'm not even going to waste any time opening her up today. I'm actually hungry. For some reason, I'm always hungry when I make these videos because I gotta try these snacks. And I know you guys are ready to see my reaction. Of course, this is what it looks like on top. I just dropped the little message that they always have, but you guys know what it says by now. But no further ado, this is what it looks like when you open her up. The first thing that I see in this daily goodie box is called the Oogie Snacks Gourmet Popcorn Wisconsin Cheddar 1848. And this is what the packaging looks like. It looks very grungy looking, like the packaging just looks really hard. It has a guy with a beard on him and sunglasses on him. He kind of looks like a motorcyclist, I guess you can say. He looks very badass, I definitely say. It is all natural, non-GMO, and gluten-free. And I'm not even going to waste any time to try this because the flavor is Wisconsin cheddar. So let's see how this popcorn tastes. This is good. These are so good. Yum. Like, this is delicious. The flavor is so good. Not too salty, not too bland. It is perfect. I've never had like a cheddar like popcorn like this ever. It has always been like not a lot of flavor or just too much flavor, but this tastes so good and it only has 43 calories, so girl, I'm gonna save that for later. The next thing that I see in this box is a Cal Natural Svelte You've Got Appeal Banana Cream Organic Protein Shake, and it just looks like this. And the packaging just looks very interesting. It looks kind of like a milk that you would just kind of buy in the store. It has 11 fluid ounces, and I actually do not like banana, but today I noticed that, you know, I don't really drink things whenever I get a goodie box, and today I feel like I'm gonna do it. Like today I'm feeling like ugh, banana, I hate banana. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna drink it. I'm gonna taste it for you guys because I'm a trooper. Ugh. Okay. So it actually doesn't taste too bad. Like, it just tastes like a banana milk, like a banana flavored milk, I guess you'd say. And it just doesn't taste bad. However, I still don't like bananas, so I'm not gonna like this. The next thing that I see in this box are Sriracha, the best hot sauce on earth. Get your fix. So apparently we got some hot sauce in here, some Sriracha hot sauce, and I got a couple packages. I'm actually not afraid of eating pepper or spicy things, so I'm actually going to taste this for you guys because why not? If I can open it.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so I just opened the Sriracha hot sauce, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger and see what it tastes like. Ooh, it smells spicy. Ooh. Ooh. It's spicy. Yeah, it's spicy. But it's good. Hold up, I might actually need more of that banana milk. Hold up. Oh, hold up. That was good, but it was very spicy, so I do like it. I am definitely going to be putting this on my chicken or my food. That was good, but it's very hot. I will warn you guys with that. Okay, the next thing that I see is actually a gum. This is the Glee gum. It's sugar-free. It is xylitol sweetened, and it's in the flavor watermelon. So this is perfect to taste right after I just tasted that Sriracha. And this is what it just looks like. Okay, so it tasted good at first. Like, you just had like a burst of watermelon. Now when you continue to chew it, you could just taste like this kind of xylitol sweetened type of flavor to it. The next thing that I see in this box is a Bakery on Main double chocolate bar, and it just looks like this. This is just a multi-grain bar. It has 4 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, and 8 grams of sugar. So I'm just going to try that for you guys. And it looks like this. It doesn't even taste that bad. It doesn't even taste that healthy. It tastes really like sweet and definitely chocolatey. So I was expecting this to taste bad, but it doesn't. It's good. The next thing that I see is a Curoxen First Aid Ointment. It is natural, organic, and effective. So apparently you're just supposed to put this over your cuts or your bruises, and it's just supposed to be a first aid treatment. Next, I see a Herbal Zap Party Detox Support Instantly Dissolving Herbal Supplement, and it just looks like this. And I see, last but not least, I see 2 Tiger Balm pain relieving patches. So this is kind of like an icy hot to put on your body whenever you're feeling very pain, like, you know, hurting or in pain. It says convenient and not messy, works where it hurts, and it is long lasting. So that was the last thing that I saw or got in this goodie box. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to try every item in this box because I feel like I don't really try everything in every single box, but today I was feeling bold and I wanted to try it for you guys to let you guys know my honest opinion. If you guys enjoy these videos, then keep on watching, and please watch my playlist of daily goodie boxes, and please comment below some things in the comments. We can talk in the comments. I am open and free to any questions that you guys may have. Thank you guys so much for watching, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
From the moment you was dancing in the party, pushing out on me, giving everything, you're giving everything tonight.